So, update on the cooler. Peltier cooler is running right now. I am actually getting just under 63 degrees after about 5 or 6 minutes of runtime. What I was doing was I built a storage box, my Joulebox, out of styrofoam and added 2 more liters of phase change material based on the sodium sulfate. Added a little propylene glycol and did use methyl cellulose as the thickener instead of xanthan gum. It seems to drop out of solution. So anyway, I was able to reverse the polarity on the Peltier junctions and heat up the material in there, get it good and melted, then reversed again, ran it, cooled it all the way down. That took all day because I would run it until it would kind of quit working, and then I would let it just sit and percolate around. Had to run that, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 cycles. Let it sit overnight, ran it again. The hot side would only get up to about 80 degrees, so I figured it was either totally saturated or that was actually the point at which it was really setting up. So first experiment, since it got to 80 degrees on the output, I figured I'd go ahead, swap it again, run it, and see how low the temp could go. Not bad. I mean, 62, that's pretty good. I think the lowest I've ever seen this thing without the pumps running was 48. No, I had frost on it, so yeah, maybe lower than that. But yeah, so far so good. 61's not bad. So I'm gonna run this, and I guess it's probably only gonna give me about a half hour of cooling or so, maybe an hour at tops, but I'll let it run, we'll see what happens. I will post this now. Bye. Like and subscribe.